In this lesson, students will find the area of rectilinear figures using addition and multiplication equations. First, let's review what rectilinear means. Take a look at the following figure. We want to find the area for the entire shape. The first thing we need to do is separate the shape into smaller rectangles. A 1x3 rectangle, a 2x8 rectangle, and a 5x4 rectangle. This model is going to help me create a template to write my equation in. I know that I need to find the area of each individual rectangle, and then I'll add those three areas together to equal the area of the entire figure. So, on my whiteboard, I'm going to draw a box to represent each section in my model. There are 3 sections, so I will draw 3 boxes. Mapping out the equation like this ahead of time really helps students make sure they are including all the parts of the figure and don't miss any steps. Since there is one row with 3 squares, I will write 1 times 3 in the first box. Now I need to find the area of the next section. Since there are 2 rows with 8 squares in each row, I will write 2 times 8 in the second box. To represent the final section, I will write 5 times 4 because there are 5 rows with 4 in each row. Now, we don't normally see equations with boxes, so let's rewrite the equation in a form that the students would normally see. Before going on, this is a good time to review the order of operations. Simply put, what should I do first? Multiply or add? And does it make a difference? This is an area where it is common for students to mix up the order of operations when they're first learning. So which one does come first? Since we need to first find the area of all 3 sections, we will multiply the numbers in parentheses first. For example, first we'll multiply 1 times 3, which is 3, and corresponds to the number of squares in the first section. Next, we'll multiply 2 times 8, which is 16, and the area in the next section. Finally, multiply the 5 and 4, which is 20, and the area in the last section. Now that we've found the area of each of the smaller rectangles, then we'll add all the products together to get a total area of 39 square units. Let's review. We found the area of a rectilinear figure by, first, separating the shape into smaller rectangles. Second, we used the figure to create a template to help write the equation. Then we solved the equation by multiplying the numbers in parentheses first. Finally, we added the products together to find the total area.